Challenge everything you hear, because life is not happening to you, life is responding to you. Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. Like I said, life is happening to us, and life is responding to us, not just happening to us. And so we have to question everything we hear, because if it's true that we have an internal guidance system, we have an inner guidance system that's always keeping us safe and keeping us alive. It's breathing us, if you will, and it's keeping us moving down a path of least resistance. Then we have to trust in that inner guidance system. We can't just go about thinking that we're in control and then not questioning the things we hear. So in today's world, we have so much information coming at us, and unless we challenge it, we don't know if it's aligned with who we really are or who we really want to be. And so it takes that kind of awareness to question things, and then also to ask our internal guidance system, is this right for me? Because our perception matters, especially with what's going on today. And you have to realize that your perception is going to be different from everyone else's. And you need to really think about what it is that you want, where you're going, what matters to you, and listen to that internal guidance system. Ask questions of yourself to see what it is that you do want and if it's aligned with who you are. And if you don't know who you are, that means you don't know your values and your principles. And that's a huge problem. So imagine if you knew your values and principles. Imagine if you knew what you wanted. Imagine if, you were aware that you weren't aligned. I wouldn't be here talking to you today and helping people transform their lives if I wasn't aware back in 2011 that working in a corporate job wasn't for me. Because I could have kept doing that. They were paying me very well. They were paying me, over 6 figures a year. And I could have done that. I could have easily done that and stayed there. But that's a trap. That was a trap. That was a cage for me. That wasn't where I wanted to be. So today, I get to share my inspiration. I get to write. I get to speak. I get to teach. I get to help you transform your life. Because that matters to me. I am investing in other people's future. What are you investing in? What are you hearing that's going on in your life and in your world that you don't like, that you're maybe not saying anything about? You have to speak your truth. You have to speak up and speak out. It matters that you do, because then you will move towards what you want and feel good. Because if you're not feeling good, that's an indication. Because feelings are thoughts moving through our body. We have to realize that. If you don't feel good, those are your thoughts that you're having often enough that they're moving through your body and you're not feeling good. And if you don't feel good physically, your biology is an indication of what you need to change. So become aware. Challenge what you're hearing today. Challenge it. Think about it. Focus on what you want. Ask yourself what you want. Move towards what you want. Challenge what you're hearing, because everything that you hear is important to you, but it has to resonate with your inner alignment, your inner guidance system. And if it doesn't, then you get to choose. Do I move in that direction? Do I move to the left, or do I move to the right? If you don't move at all, nothing happens at all. But that's a decision too. If you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, check that out. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.